everyone, so it's Christmas time, so me and Bailey are here yet again with another tutorial, simple Christmas style. Let's get started. So I'm starting off by just parting the hair in two. This is going to be a pigtail style. So I'm just going to use a little bit of wax spray here. Bailey is going to cover her ear. And then we're just going to place this hair. I'm going to do a really high front pigtail, so I want it to kind of come this way, not that way. Exactly the same on the other side. So next we're going to make our own little hair accessory to begin with, because you could do this all the way down the style, but I'm not going to today, but I'm going to show you how to make one. So this is one that we made earlier, isn't it, Boo? So we've got our little ball off Amazon, and we've got our little hair tie, and I'm just going to kind of push that through the little hole. And then I'm just going to kind of loop that back through on itself so it's tied on there, like so. Then we're going to get another one and do the same, so just push it through the little hole. So then you're just going to put these in the hair like a normal hair tie. So like I say, you could actually do this all the way down the bubble braids, but we're not going to do that today. But I did just want to show you one, because we did this for your Christmas display last year, didn't we, Bales? So next what we're going to do is take a hair elastic. So you can make these bubbles quite small, or you can make them quite chunky. We're going to go chunky today because Bailey's got quite thick hair as well. So what you want to do is really make sure that when you're pulling this out, you pull out from every angle. So it really does feel like a little ball rather than just kind of like an oval shape. So Bailey's chosen this one to go in first. We've got lots of little accessories, but we've tried to make sure that the accessories slide in that way instead of having to go that way, because it'll kind of ruin the bubble. So we've gone with a bow first of all. If you haven't got a hair quite as thick as Bailey's, what you can do is start the bubble off by doing a little bit of back comb first. But honestly, I don't really need to do it with Bailey's hair because there's just so much of it. But if you're working with finer hair, put a little bit of spray and a little bit of back comb. So I think I fancy putting one more bubble in here, but it's quite fine. So I thought I'd just show you what I mean by putting the back comb in. So I kind of like break it into two so you've got the centre bit there. And then I'll just come in underneath like that with my comb and just give it a little fluff. That is our finished look. Obviously you can do these pom-pom things all the way down, but we couldn't be bothered, could we, Bailey? So we just used our accessories. So let us know in the comments if you like our Christmas style, and we've got lots more to come.